Hello, this is Arthur Nix, EWKS, and today I'm going to show you a quick way to get to some features in HeavyBid, and they're called favorites. And I just did a blog on the setting up the checklist right here. Here's the checklist, and this is where somebody could come through and actually have different checklists for different functions for your estimates. So the problem is with this, it works great, and you could be in an estimate. It will tell you date complete when somebody checks this. And also it will tell you which user did this. So it's great for systems or estimates where multiple estimators are using the system, and then it will tell you who checked that off. So check out my blog on this. But what we want to do in this video is come up to Tools, Preferences, User. All right, Tools, Preferences, User. These are all kind of the internal switches, so to say, for HeavyBid. And then if you look under Display, there's this Customize Favorites. And it's a really cool feature because you can come in here and you can put anything over in this Favorites up here that you want to get to quickly. Now, you don't want to junk it up. Then it loses its effectiveness. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come down to the check estimates. The checklist. And I might want to, there is that check estimate too. You just have to kind of root around for them. I'm not sure how they're sorted here, and you can't control the sort, but it does give you a way to get to a lot of these features here. I'm going to, let's see, let's do renumber bid items. So I got three things here. I go, okay, okay. And then I come up here to favorites, and then there they are right there. So there's my checklist, and I can quickly get to my different checklists. And I think this gives you a lot better chance of estimators using this feature, and then otherwise having to go remember where it is, which is kind of an awkward place right here, this checklist under File. So all they have to do to favorites, checklist, and then they're in it. I will point out to you that in the tools preferences, each estimator would have to, because this is customized for each person. So, at least give them the default ones, and then they can come back later and add the ones that they want additional. So great feature. Encourage you to try it out and see what you think. All right, this is Arthur Nix with EWKS. I appreciate you watching this video.